Okay, so in our example here for our sinusoidal model, we can see it doesn't quite fit the scatter plot. So what we need to do is we need to add a phase shift. We're going to add a constant here. We're going to add a plus c, which will make this adjustment. We need to find that value for c. So what you want to do in order to do this and find that c value is we need to find a point that we think is a good point on the curve. You need to find a point that you're going to fit it to. So I'm going to move the curve into this particular point here. I'm going to try this point here. Which point is that one? That one is D. What's the x value here? What's the y value?
0.2.
So what I can do is I know that it goes through 6, 0.29. I have the model. Where's my model? I have the model. Y equals 0.375 sine 29 times pi over 180 x plus c plus 0.625. How can I find the value of c? What's the standard technique on our course for finding the value of an unknown?
You isolate it?
Not going to be able to do that.
And solve.
And solve.
Oh.
This is a y value. So 0.29 is equal to 0.375 times sine 29 pi over 180. What do we stick here? 6 plus c plus 0.625. So now we've got an equation in one unknown, and we just end solve. However, when you do that, if we've got this in here, we're in radians. So you have to change your calculators. Yeah. So change your calculator into radians. Well,
in our own equations, though, we don't always have pi, right? It just depends on our.
when you're sticking it into, if you're going to graph it in GeoGebra, you would.
Oh,
if
we
you
have
will.
to. That's the easy
Yeah.
equation.
Yeah. So onto this one, then you can go menu, algebra, and solve 0.29 is equal to 0.375 times sine of 29 bracket pi divided by 180 6 plus c plus, what's the last number? 6.625. .625, comma, solve for c. We got a value 1.21. So now we can put in our value of c here as plus 1.21. The graph will move across and fit into where we want it. So I've made it fit here at that particular point. Are we happy with how that fits? If you're not happy with how that fits, you could try with a few different points until you get the one that you sort of like, and then use that one. Okay.